Introducing Adams Polish's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, a 16 ounces powerhouse designed to rejuvenate your vehicle's wheels and tires. There are many products available to choose foaming car wash, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best foaming car wash from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Clean Car USA Foam King Foam Gun Car Wash Sprayer. Introducing the Clean Car USA Foam King Foam Gun Car Wash Sprayer, your ultimate solution for a scratch-free car wash at home. Revolutionize your car cleaning routine with this innovative foam gun that connects effortlessly to your garden hose. With its adjustable foam concentration feature, you can tailor the cleaning power to suit your vehicle's needs, from light dirt to heavy grime. Crafted by detailing enthusiasts, the Foam King ensures gentle yet effective removal of abrasive dirt, leaving your vehicle's paintwork pristine. Say goodbye to tedious trips to commercial car washes, and hello to convenience and savings. Not limited to cars, this versatile foam gun is ideal for cleaning trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. Its compact design and easy setup make it perfect for outdoor gear and equipment. 2. Backed by the Foam King guarantee, we're dedicated to providing the best car cleaning experience. If you're not satisfied, we'll make it right. Elevate your car washing game with the Foam King, and let's go clean. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Extreme Body Wash and Wax Foaming Car Wash Soap. Experience the ultimate in car cleaning with Chemical Guy's Extreme Body Wash and Wax Foaming Car Wash Soap. Trusted since 2010, this formula has garnered over 14,000 rave reviews for its unmatched performance. Its rich foam effortlessly lifts dirt and grime, ensuring a spotless finish for your car, truck, or RV. Whether you prefer a traditional bucket wash or the convenience of a foam can or gun, Extreme Body Wash and Wax delivers exceptional results every time. Just a small amount creates a mountain of foam, making each wash a satisfying experience. Plus, its delightful grape scent adds an extra touch of enjoyment to your car cleaning routine. Crafted with a blend of natural carnauba wax and synthetic polymers, this soap not only cleans, but also enhances your vehicle's shine and protection. Its pH balance formula is gentle on all exterior surfaces, ensuring a scratch-free clean without stripping wax or sealants. Made in the USA, and suitable for all automotive paint colors, Extreme Body Wash and Wax is the go-to choice for both beginners and professionals alike. Say goodbye to dull, dirty cars, and hello to a showroom-worthy shine with every wash. Number 3. Adams Polish's Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Introducing Adams Polish's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, a 16 ounces powerhouse designed to rejuvenate your vehicle's wheels and tires. Engineered to combat the toughest grime, including dirt, browning, and brake dust, this professional-grade cleaner restores your wheels to their factory shine. Its specialized formula targets heavy brake contaminants, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Safe on a variety of finishes, including clear-coated, powder-coated, chrome, alloy, and painted wheels, Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner eliminates the risk of damage often associated with other cleaners. Say goodbye to brown, old tires. This cleaner removes silicones, greases, wax buildup, and more, leaving your tires looking revitalized. Extend the life of your tire dressings, and enhance your vehicle's overall appearance with Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Backed by a 110% satisfaction guarantee, Adams Polishes stands behind its commitment to providing premium car cleaning products. Elevate your detailing game with Adams Polishes Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and experience the difference today. Number 4. Adams Mega Foam Best Car Wash Soap for Foam Cannon. Introducing Adams Mega Foam, the ultimate car wash soap designed for foam cannons, pressure washers, or foam guns. With its concentrated formula, Mega Foam creates an abundance of thick lubricating suds to clean your vehicle without risking scratches. Formulated with advanced cleaners and polymers, it effortlessly removes dirt, pollen, soot, and other contaminants, while being gentle on trim and plastic components. Unlike traditional soaps, Adams Mega Foam won't strip wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings, thanks to its pH-neutral formula. Even under sunlight, it rinses clean without streaks, leaving behind a glossy finish. Made in the USA, this product comes with a 110% satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you get the best car wash experience possible. Experience the ultimate wash with Adams Mega Foam, where sudsy satisfaction meets unmatched cleaning power. Say goodbye to dull finishes and hello to a showroom shine with every wash. Number 5. Slick Products Wash Foam Shampoo for Car. Introducing the ultimate solution for pristine vehicle care. Slick Products Wash and Wax Foam Cannon Bundle. Engineered by Slick Products, this dynamic duo features a 64-ounce super concentrated car shampoo and a foam cannon designed to elevate your car cleaning regimen. Crafted to cater to a spectrum of vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, motorhomes, and boats, this bundle ensures optimal cleanliness, and Shine.The Wash and Wax Plus Foam Gun Bundle simplifies the cleaning process, enabling effortless removal of dirt, grime, and residue, leaving behind a lustrous finish. The foam cannon seamlessly connects to your pressure washer unit via the 1/4 Quick Connect adapter, providing powerful and efficient foam dispersion. With package dimensions of 12.5 x 8.5 x 8.5 inches and a weight of 6.65 pounds, this bundle offers convenience and functionality. Available since October 28, 2019, with the ASIN B07X375R3G, it has swiftly ascended to the ranks of automotive best-sellers, currently holding the number 3,977 spot. Elevate your vehicle maintenance routine with the Slit Products Wash and Wax Foam Cannon Bundle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more